Small benefits of learning Python programming. Opening scene, upbeat background music. On screen, title, Small benefits of learning Python programming. Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about some small but super useful benefits of learning Python programming. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to expand your skills, Python has a few hidden gems that make it worth picking up. Let's dive in. Easy to learn and read. Cut to visual of Python code on a screen with simple syntax like variable assignment, print statement. First up, Python is really easy to learn. Its syntax is clean and almost reads like English. For example, look at this code, print hello world. It's pretty straightforward, right? This simplicity is one of Python's biggest small benefits. You can get started quickly, even if you've never programmed before. And because the code is so easy to read, it's also great for collaboration. When you work in teams or share your code online, others can easily understand it, which speeds up the process. Cut to visual of different projects, a web app, data visualization, and a small game. Another benefit? Python is versatile. You can use it for so many things, building websites, automating tasks, analyzing data, creating games, and even developing AI projects. It's like a multi-tool that grows with you. Whether you're a hobbyist or aiming for a professional career, Python opens up endless possibilities. Cut to a person Googling a Python error and finding answers on forums like Stack Overflow. Ever get stuck on a problem? Don't worry, with Python, you have a massive, friendly community to help you out. Because it's so popular, there are tons of resources like forums, tutorials, and documentation. Whatever issue you run into, someone has probably faced it and solved it. This means you'll always have guidance as you learn, and that's a big plus when you're just starting out. Free and open source libraries. Cut to visual of someone importing Python libraries like NumPy, Matplotlib, and requests. Host VoiceOver. One of the coolest benefits of Python is its huge collection of free libraries. These are pre-written code packages that you can easily import to speed up your work. Need to work with data? NumPy has you covered. Want to visualize it? Use Matplotlib. By leveraging these tools, you can focus more on building your project and less on writing repetitive code from scratch. Boosts problem-solving skills. Cut to visual of a puzzle-solving game on a computer screen. Host VoiceOver. Learning Python also improves your problem-solving skills. As you write code, you'll learn how to break down big problems into smaller, manageable steps. This logical thinking can help in all areas of life, whether it's for work, school, or everyday challenges. Automation for daily tasks. Someone automating a boring task on their computer using Python. And here's a small benefit that can make a big difference: automation. With Python, you can automate repetitive tasks like renaming files, sending emails, or organizing data. It's like having a personal assistant on your computer. Host on camera, smiling. So, those are just a few small but powerful benefits of learning Python programming. Whether it's the ease of learning, versatility, supportive community, or the ability to automate your daily tasks, Python offers a ton of value. And the best part? You can start small and gradually grow your skills over time. If you're ready to dive in, hit that subscribe button for more Python tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Outro music fades out. On screen, subscribe, like, share buttons.